Yes, my people, so I'm out in Mother Nature. Yeah, there's some geese over there, as you can see. A lot of geese over there. Yeah, there's some head to the other part of the nature walk, so I can capture everything that I might run into. So we're just walking on this trail where you can get a sighting. It's actually built over on the lake. Um, so I don't know what that one is. Oh, it's sighted. So we're still moving along somehow with that. Yeah. So this is a wetland over the river, over the lake. Actually, you see a lake. So because of this, I put it in and put it out. And I'm looking for everything. Snake. People, there goes a beaver in the water. To see if I can get other things on camera to show you. And I'm just navigating and go along. Some geese there, over there, in the wetland. Plenty of them over there. That's a wetland over there. Alright, so we move down to the other side. Get some sighting as we go along. We will show you what we're trying to film. We want to find snakes or anything like that. Yeah, I'm looking to see if I see any snake hanging anywhere. See if I can capture that. But I've not seen none of that around here. Alright, so that's the trail here that we walk on. I'm gonna walk all the way over to the other side. Let me see. Earlier we see in the video, we see a beaver. Here we see a beaver. Alright. It's a river over there. Look at that, my beautiful people. That's a beautiful birds. There are beautiful birds around. This is a red one. I don't know what. Beautiful. Red bird, red bird. Alright. It is a geese on the bank in there. See if I can draw it up a little closer for you. He's right there. Right there, sitting in front of me on the embankment. See if I can draw it up a little closer. Right there. I'm trying to make that sound. Yeah, right there. Sitting right there. There are plenty of look at that on the lake actually. Yeah, so I'm taking my way across to the other side where I can show you some more of these wildlife. On a different angle. I got him right there. Right there from a different angle. So he's moving with the ducks in the pond. Good. He's like 4 feet tall. Very tall. Very long legs. catch him on that. He's aiming to catch a fish or something. He sees something in the water and he's looking to catch that fish, or it can be crawfish, it can be a very small turtle or something like that. Look at him. Moving slowly towards his target. Moving quickly. Look at him getting closer and closer to his target. Look at that. He sees something in the water and he's about to make a catch. Oh, alright, look at it. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that's a large bird. It's like 4 feet tall. Very tall bird. Yes, just another day out in Mother Nature, people. Trying to bring you out some content. Yeah, so this morning I'm out here in the wild, trying to film something to share with you. And it's so interesting that I have come up on this what she up to. So he or she, what kind of find she gonna make there. She gonna grab a turtle or grab a crab, very small crab, or you gonna grab a crawfish or some other little fish. But I've seen that he aiming for something. Oh yeah, there's a group of water, the water moving a little over there. So it seems like fish lurking around in that area and he's trying to make a catch. Look at him, he caught something. Oh, he didn't catch anything, he missed. He missed. Alright, so we are moving on to the other side of the lake to see what else we can get on film. Okay? Yeah man, so just thanks for watching and thanks for checking out my videos. As always, Yardman is always sharing something. Yeah. When he's not cooking, he's sharing other stuff. Alright? So we're moving on to the next part. So he's getting closer to me and closer. Yeah, that bird is like 4 feet tall. Very tall bird. He has tall legs because that water is very deep. You understand? Very deep water. And he's navigating through to find a meal or something. You understand? So he's looking for a very small crab, a small turtle, or crawfish, or a very small fish. You understand? He just swallow up those fishes whole and alive. Alright? So we're moving on to the next side where we see if we can capture something else on the video to share with you. Towards me, but it's a distant away because I pulled the camera to get in closer. We got it filmed. Okay? So we're moving to our next side, see if we can get something else on the camera. Alright? I'm still on the trail heading to, I want to go over there, that area over there. That's where I want to go to see what's going on over there. That's part of the lake. So they build the structure above the lake that you can walk above and look down over into the water. So that's where I'm heading. There are tall poles there that they build the overhead and get your nature walk overhead. Yeah, that's a bridge for going to the other side, but I'm not going to take that one. I'm going to take the lower part to end up all the way over there. You understand? So that's where I'm going now. Yep. So figure standing right there, started. Those geese are making a lot of noise, sounding like a dog. Yeah, territorial birds. That's his territory. So he's warning the others that were coming up the river there that they are in his territory, so they have to turn back. Yeah. So nature is what it is. Very territorial. That's a couple, it's a male and a female. The larger one is a male, this one is a female. The one up front there is a male. Understand? That's the one that made the loud noise. Wildlife discovery.